Okay, maybe bed out at the range again with my model 1951. I'm going to try a different hold this time that I saw on YouTube. And I'm going to slow my shots down and see if that stops me from shooting to the left. I'm also, as you can see, resting. Slowly squeezing the trigger, so, that's right, it's not double action. And it helps to get around in the chamber too. All right, now we're ready. Yeah, I'm still doing it. Okay, there's 3. I got another mag. So far I've got 3 on the left. Looks like 3 in the bullseye. And 1 on the right. Okay, I got another one on the left. Okay. All right. It did improve some. That was 2 mags of 16 rounds. So I just need to work on my hold. There you can see it. Some to the left, 1 there, but then they're not all to the left. So that hold is an improvement. So that's not bad. Not bad. Okay. Well, I guess that grip works. And taking time with my shots. I did change the way my finger was on the trigger too. I don't know if that made a difference. I was shooting with my fingertip and I brought my finger in a little more. And I don't know if that made a difference or not. And on my hold, I was doing this to begin with. And now I'm putting my thumb on there and trying to get a better grip this way. And that seems to work. So it would benefit me to go through some classes with some professionals. I wouldn't mind doing that and see how that works. Okay, that's all I got.